Incoming wires, 7 holes, dress casually, one at a time and one at a time. Be sure to go through this detection. It will alarm if no wires. The device will alarm if no wire. This position. We'll open this clip while we're wearing it. There's a thread. During test, if you want the parts to move, look at this pull wire. Pull back, he's moving. The clip is moving, too. Pushing, this is manual test. Blade holder cut. Cut and open. And this position. This is feeding tin wires. The small motor at the front end is running. Open back end. The back end turns around again. We use manual mode to debug machine. All these are for adjusting machine, including this tin scrap. Back scrap tin, up and down, front and back. Front side. Let's see how to use tin wire feeding flex and scrap tin. It is motor type inside. The front side tin dipping. Tin scrap interval 1. It will scrap one time after tinning 1. Tin feeding interval 3. It means tin 3 times. This motor will rotate half of 1 second. Water feeding is same. Tinning twice. That tube, the motor will pump 1 time. Pump 0.2 second. seconds. Tail tin dipping para. This is the same debugging method as the front end. This is just based on the client, the length and size of the tin, and required tin quantity to debug. This can't give you real-time parameters. Stay wire set. Cable clamp position. Come from there and clamp first wire. Is meaning, the bigger the number, the farther it goes forward, the smaller it goes back. Actually, we already set it well, do not change it. Special settings only this strand twisting. I've already talked about it on the English screen. Manual screen. Left side is motor parameter. On the right is the cylinder. Click on any of these motors. As long as it is moving, all have a real-time parameter. This manual speed. If we need a parametric screen, go ahead and click on it, pull it back and push it out. He's gonna move that manual 1 speed.